It's time for another gardening update. Y'all, it's Miss Janita coming through with a little success or disaster video for today. And yeah, see this pot right here? I got tomato and some little herbs in this pot. We'll see if it grows. Am I looking at a spider? Heck yeah, look at that spider. Sucker. All over my new plant I just put there. He's gonna get washed away because it's rain right there. Yeah, I got my tomato, a couple of tomato seeds and some herbs in this pot. It's a bigger pot. I guess it's about 8, 9 inch, something like that. But that's about all so far. It's my oregano still hanging in there. This is some parsley still hanging in there, which y'all can see. It's kind of crazy out here on the balcony because it's wet, but lovely because the plant's getting watered and I don't have to do the job. The avocado plant is successfully still growing. The top of the leaves, look. That Jennihain plant still surviving that I planted from seeds. The lemon trees, the peppers. Y'all ain't really getting a good look, but nasturtiums I'm growing down there. It's just a little rounded little version of me sharing with y'all the balcony garden. Things just need to be straightened up out here. But how y'all doing? Anyway, as y'all can see, I shared the people from last week. I didn't make it last week because I was sick. I'm still recovering. But, oh y'all, I'm sorry. I'm getting some new PABLANO peppers. I harvested the other one. Sorry I didn't share with y'all. But new PABLANO peppers growing. See that one right there? But yeah, y'all see I shared last week's participants that were in the video that shared last week. I wasn't there because I was sick, like I said, but I'm recovering, feeling better. But I'm gonna get out of this weather. But it's raining out here in Southern California today. Ooh, it's so dark. Hope it don't last like it did the last time. Last 3-4 days straight raining. But my plants will love it. Some of them anyway. Hopefully I get some lemons on this lemon tree. I know y'all can't see what I'm talking about. It's there in the center of the video. Okay, y'all, that's it. Thanks for your continued support. Don't forget to check out the other content gardening creators. Say hello to the passy-bys, looky-loose trolleys, and the ones that just want to say hello. Y'all have a happy Easter. Bye for now. Check out my grocery channel and my crafting channel, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. I'll see you on the next one.